suggestions to the automated scoring. Then it is also available in the market based on the per month or yearly. It is also available based on the individual and as well as also professional, both two way. Then plagiarism share. Then basic and easy to use multi-purpose plagiarism detection tool that is used by students, teachers, writers, as well as various members of the liturgy industry. 190 languages supported. There is virtually no language excluded from the list. Plagiarism checks by URL online or file uploaded, and there are so many documents. That means upload from your computer. It can be TXT, STC, all these methods may be used. Then Firefox, then Chrome extension, then limited plagiarism checks per day, and plans and pricing variety of plans. There are also free version as well as also individual and professional membership also. Then plugin basic and but fully functional free plagiarism detection tool with different level of search, pros, easy to use, then free up to 5,000 characters each time, then cons limited free features, then plans and pricing, quick search and deep search offers. There is also different membership fee as well as also individual as well as professional or per month or yearly basis, whatever is available here. Then also PlugScan, this is also another software that is used both for both the individual and business that checks against online content, scientific journals, and the users documents as well. Then fully online, no download required. 3 ways to do plagiarism checks. You can select first directly pasting your text into the appropriate field, then inputting the file from the web by entering the URL at the indicated area or uploading it from a cloud storage area such as Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. Then third is uploading a file from your desktop. So these are this, and there are also different pros and cons. Relatively complicated interface as opposed to competitive platform. The interaction seems quite advanced. Then also plug tracker, fast free plagiarism detection tool that searches both website and academic databases by copying and pasting text or file uploading. Pros and cons are also here. First is addressing to different user group, then details, reports, language supports, then no file upload offer. So there are different options also in this case. Then Qtex, basic layout and functional interface that checks against the internet as well as various database. Pros and cons also all here. No subscription. Qtex is entirely free, unlimited usage, no account registration or download needed, no file uploading. Then also Viper, a 3-step free plagiarism detection tool with user-friendly interface. Pros 100% free. All features are available to everyone on the internet. Extensive plagiarism checklists, resources including journal, books, and websites. Then limited target groups, mostly targeted to academic students, as it is widely used for evaluating student evaluation paper. And plans and pricing also. That means no subscription available, entirely free platform. So these are then plagiarism. There are different. There are several plagiarisms which are used to check plagiarism. We'll discuss here only Urkund and Turnitin. Already I have discussed different plagiarism which is only available on online. Now nowadays Ministry of HR I also suggest also Turnitin. That's why I have so mentioned here. When you are looking to detect and prevent plagiarism, you need an essay effective tool. Urkund is an automatic text recognition system made detecting, preventing, and handling plagiarism regardless of language. We are passionate about helping schools, universities, and organizations encourage original writing and have done so for 20 years. So this is the basic documents. Then how do we can go for the submission? Then what is the relevant source are retributed that I have also mentioned here. Then machine learning, powered analysis, then report creation and delivery. Okay. Basically, I am showing here. These are the analysis overview, and these are the report here. What are the words? It has been highlighted here through different colors. Suppose this summary is also showing 66% is also plagiarism, 20% is also free of plagiarism. So these are the quick screenshot that I am showing here. Then back to analyze over, here is the finding, also which source. Here is also the source from which it is showing here. Then student, then you see that this is the student assignment meshing, it is showing the meshing text, it is showing 94%. But Urkund, you may agree or may not agree, and I will not make any controversial comments, but the question is that Urkund is very weak so far, because I use both Urkund as well as the plagiarism. In certain cases, I have seen, suppose if it is a 20-page research paper, when I am going to check my plagiarism, or when I get, because I am also the editor and editorial board member, more than 50 journals. So when I get for review purpose from foreign countries, first I go to check the plagiarism. Then I see if I go through the Urkund, suppose it is 20-page research paper, it is giving only 10%, 15% plagiarism, and it is showing only the this is meshing system. But when I am giving the same paper in Turnitin, it is showing number. If you click on that number, it is giving from where it has been copied, and it is in multiple color. And another thing is that which material it has shown only 6% plagiarism. Turnitin software, it is showing 36% plagiarism. So I think Turnitin is more powerful than Urkund. And sometimes what it happens when we also send the thesis to the foreign country, then we also go Urkund as well as also the Turnitin, and we find there is a big gap between these two. Suppose Urkund is showing 10%, whereas Turnitin is showing it is 30%. So there is a big gap. And after review, it is found that Turnitin is better and better than the Urkund. Whatever, so just I am showing here plagiarism, Turnitin plagiarism, one of my paper that which I have also uploaded for the plagiarism checking, that I am showing here. From which source number, then what it will happen? It will show from which source it has been copied. That it will show. And another thing is that this is the introduction. This is the method that going. Then observe 3% index among this internal publication and student papers, and from which source it is coming, how much it is coming. This Turnitin software, it will show you very accurately and very Urkund. So Turnitin is far better than the Urkund. Now you see, all of you must be knowing that University Grants Commission, they have should be considered, and if it is beyond that, what disciplinary action should be taken, that I am just showing here at a glance. Level of plagiarism would be quantified into following several levels of acid